Hey, Jolo Angelo.
Was.
What's this one?
Book.
Very good.
pencil,
Wait, sir. Wait, sir. Wait, sir. Oh, what's this one?
Pencil.
Very good.
Wait, sir, wait.
Pencil.
Book. Pencil.
Oh, wait, sir. This one. What's this one?
Robot.
Robot. A toy.
Toy.
This one.
Ball.
Very good. What's the
Pencil.
color of the book?
Orange.
Very good. How about the pencil?
Red.
Red?
Oh.
No. It's the same. It's the same with this one.
The same.
What's the color?
Orange.
Very good. How about the ball? What's the color of the ball?
Oh.
It has two colors.
Wait. Ayos ako. Yan. Ayos
Okay.
yan.
Okay.
Orange and green.
Green. Okay. Yes. It's green.
Baby yellow.
This one is yellow.
Oh.
This one is...
Is brown.
No. Pagtarong. What's this one?
Okay,
Green.
it's green.
Very good. How about this one?
Robot.
I mean the color.
Oh, gray.
No.
What?
It's light
Light
blue.
blue.
It's blue. How about this one? What's the color of this one?
Red.
Oh, very good. Okay, next page.
Yes.
Wait, sir. Okay. What's this one, Jolo Angelo?
Robot coaster.
Robot
coaster.
No, that's not a roller coaster. That's
The
shoes.
shoes.
Not shoes.
Unsa man ni dani? Unsa na dana?
Spike.
Spike ko. Nahan ko yana dana sa
How about this one? What's this one, Jolo Angelo?
star.
No, this one. What's this one?
Oh, yellow.
No,
And green.
The color is what?
Is
What's the color?
yellow, green, and purple, and yellow, and cheese, and pink,
Tarong. This one. What's this one?
pink.
No, the color is pink. Then how about the whole thing? What's this one?
Boots. Boots.
No, that's not boots. That's socks.
Socks.
This one is shirt.
Shirt.
T-shirt.
T-shirt.
Very good. How about this one? What's this one, Jolo Angelo?
This for the child in the eat. It's for the lunch. And for that, and chili for the cake. And for that for the
This one is
is
fork.
fork.
This one is katuplato ba?
Plato.
Plate.
Pita,
this one. Sit down. What's this one? Kutsara. Unsa may English og kutsara?
Amo.
Spoon.
Spoon.